Lumahok ang mga barko ng Philippine Navy sa isang live fire exercise sa West Philippine Sea. Yan ang ulat ni Patrick De Jesus.
Matagumpay ang unilateral and gunnery exercise ng Philippine Navy nitong Lunes sa bisinidad ng Bajo de Masinloc. Lumahok dito ang Guided Missile Frigate BRP Jose Rizal, Offshore Patrol Vessel BRP Ramon Alcaraz at Landing Dock Ship BRP Tarlac, kabilang sa ginawang pagsasanay sa gitna ng maalong dagat ng live fire drills, maneuvering at communication drills.
The Navy is prepared to conduct surface warfare operations under any conditions. And I am very glad to report that both PS-16 and FF-150, despite the very harsh conditions yesterday, were able to hit the target.
Walang barko ng China ang namonitor sa bisinidad.
This does not send any particular message to anybody. We are focused on ensuring the operational readiness of all our assets and our ability to conduct unilateral joint and combined exercises with anybody.
Samantala, noong Pebrero, kabuang 19 na barko ng PLA Navy at China Coast Guard ang namonitor sa Bajo de Masinloc at Ayungin Shoal. Regular naman ang maritime patrol at aerial surveillance flight ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea.
The Philippine Navy has a regular patrol plan and we keep challenging them each time we monitor a warship, not only in Ayungin Shoal but even all over the West Philippine Sea.
Muling iginiit ng Navy na iligal ang pananatili ng mga barko ng China sa exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Patrick De Jesus para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.